Alright, welcome guys. Learn digital skills once again. So today we are going to be seeing something really amazing. That is how we can insert or how we can use our signature digitally, which is on Microsoft Word. So by the end of today's, we are going to be able to see and know how we can use our signature on Microsoft Word. Alright, so just stay to the end of this video and see all the steps I will be taking. Alright, first for us to be able to insert it here, all we have to do is come straight to our tab and click on draw. Okay, some of you might not be having it at the tab here. So this is what we're going to do now. You right click on the ribbon, you see customize the ribbon, tap on it, and then it opens this up. So you see the draw here, check this and then you click OK. Then the draw has been inserted and this is it here. So what I'll do is I'll just tap with the draw. Then I can use any pen of my choice here to draw it out. Right. Okay. So just like this, and then you can get out your signature whichever way, just like this, and then you can draw out your signature. So this is just it. If you want to undo, simply Ctrl Z to undo. And this is just how you can go about with this. Now, this we've just done here, we can also decide to erase a particular part we want to erase, or we can decide to erase everything. It's also our choice. Then we can also decide to add a pen. Maybe we want to also allow someone else to do the signature. So just click on add pen, then maybe highlighter. You can also select the color here. Let me use this. Now this is a highlighter. This is how it looks like. And with this you can also go about with your signature. So if you also want someone else to insert, you can come back here and then use a pen. You can select the color, or you can decide to use any of these effects here. Wow, they really look amazing. I just feel like using one of it. Alright, but let's see, this is an official signature we want to do, maybe on the company who wants to collaborate. Then we can just use the normal one, which is the black. Then we can also decide to come to more colors if we want to get more colors. And select a particular color of your choice. You click OK, and then you can now draw it here. Of course, insert this here. Alright, so just like this, and this is how you can go about using our pen. Alright, so I want to erase it. Just click on it. As I just go around it, it erases everything. So this is just how we can go about this using our pen under the draw tab. Alright, so the other way we are going to be doing now, or we are going to learn how to do is, okay, the other way we are going to see how we can draw our signature or use our signature. But this time around, we are going to be making use of our phone. So I'm going to be switching over to the phone now. Alright, so this is the phone now. I have Microsoft Word installed on my phone. So we are going to see how we can apply the signature here. All we have to do now is to come straight to this, tap on this. Then when that comes out, which you can see here, you come right straight to home. You tap here, you see draw, you click on draw. Now what we want to do is we want to use our hand to draw this. So when we scroll down, let me go back there, draw. So when we scroll down, you can see the pen. So if I should tap on the pen here, this is it. Can decide to use the pen there, or I can also decide to change or use another color. So let's say I want to use red, or if I do not want to use red, I want to use another color. See the color here, you tap on this, then you can pick a color here. Alright, so let's go back up now. I want to use draw with mouse or touch. Good. And I'll just come here now and draw. Alright, so this is just it, and this is how we can just simply use our hand on our phone to do this. So now after doing this, we now can now go back to our PC and then continue with the process. All right, so back to our PC, and then we now have this right on our PC. All right, so this was what we drew on our phone, and we're now having it here. So now, how were we able to actually do this on our phone and then we have it on our PC? So all you have to do is to install Microsoft Word on your phone. After installing it, then you log into your Microsoft. When you put in your logins, then you can now do whatever you're doing there, and anything you do there, when you come to your PC having the same cloud being logged in, then you can still use the same document. So sometimes I can just get in my signature done on my phone with the same logins, then I go to my PC and open it, and I can now use it from there. So with this now, I can now use this is it here, highlighted everything. I can decide to change the color or to use this. Alright, so with this now, I can now decide to work with it. I can come to my shape format now, shape outline. I can give it black now, since it's a signature that I would be using on my official paper. I can click on it, then I come to my shape format, shape outline. I want them black. I want all of them black. Good. So you see that this is actually coming out. So you see the process. You can just install Microsoft Word on your phone and log in. Remember, you should be having the same login with that on your PC. So now I have all of this, and then I can now continue with my documents. Alright, so this is just the second way on in which we can actually apply or use our signature Microsoft Word. Alright, so now let's say the third way we can actually still use our signature. Alright, so we are still going to use or make use of our phone. What do we need to do now? Alright, so now we are now moving back to our phone. Alright, so like I said, there is still one more way in which we can actually apply our signature in Microsoft Word. So one way we can now do this is for us to take a picture of it. So what do we need to do here now? We just come right straight to this. Come to this, and then you click on insert. This is insert. So you scroll down, see this scan document. We tap on scan document and we take a picture of what we want to use, though it's not really clear. So I guess I'm just going to use this. Alright, so I just click on confirm, and then I click on done, inserting scan text to document. Alright, so this is it here, and this is what we have here. So we just use our phone now to actually insert an image. Back to our PC, and this is what we have here. Alright, so we want to be making use of this now. So for us to be able to make use of this, what do we need to do now? We need to remove this background. And how can you do that? All you have to do now to remove the background is you come to the picture format, you come here, remove background. Then with this, you can be able to mark the areas to keep, or you mark areas to remove. Let's say we'll be marking areas to remove. Then you can just come here, click to select all the areas you wish to remove. Click on them. So you can just take your time to do that, so you can be able to bring out your signature well. So you just select all of that. So when you are done selecting, you can now click on keep changes. So after doing that, you will now be having your signature ready. Alright, so this is just how we can actually go about with using our signatures. These are just the three methods we can use. First, by using the draw, and we saw how we can bring in the draw there. And the next one we can actually do is for us to draw it using our phone, though you need to be connected to the Microsoft account. Then after doing that, the third one is to take a picture of it, and then you can do away with the background. So these are just the different ways in which we can undo all of this. So now, how can we now use this? That is creating a resume How can we create a design, a resume where we can now use all of this? All right, so that is also an important thing you need to know. So all you have to do now is to just click on the next video. Let's all go in. All right, so see you guys there.